Hello Android users. So if your eyes are not setting up with the font size of your phone text, then what I'm going to tell you is go to the settings area and scroll it down, tap on display and again scroll it down to click on font size and style. We're going to focus on font size, right? So I am going to tap on that blue dot which you can see between small a and larger a, right? And I'm going to slide it left or right. If I want small, then I'll slide it left. If I want it large, then I will slide it right. I'm actually showing you on the screen how it is actually visible, right? So I prefer the middle one personally. And see, the font is this right now according to what I am making it. On WhatsApp also, see, this is the difference it is showing. Now the font size is smaller. See how it will look actually. So if you don't want some to zoom in, then you can keep it smaller, so for a better and more view of your screen, chats or something, right? But if you are okay with just focusing on some part of your chat or something, then make it larger. That's how you do it. And I'm going to tell you about style of fonts as well in next or upcoming videos. So tada, see you next video.